Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Civil Life. I hope you all would be doing well and all of you would be safe at your home. Today, in this video, I'm going to tell about how to take attendance in Google Meet. As we know, due to increasing COVID cases, all the schools and colleges have been closed and teachers are taking online classes. But teachers are facing many problems regarding taking attendance. When they take attendance, they lost a lot of time and the students do not get much time to understand the concept. So today I have come up with a solution. There are many extensions which you can use to take the attendance, but for all those extensions you need to download one browser, that is Kiwi browser. So first go to the Play Store and search Kiwi. The second one, Kiwi browser, fast and quiet. I have already installed it, so I'll just open it. After installing, you have to open it. Network is quite slow here, so please wait. Now you have to click on three dot and make sure that the phone is in desktop mode. Now your the screen will act like a computer screen. Now in the search bar type www.google.com. And here you have to type Google Meet attendance tracker. You can see here Google Meet attendance tracker. Click on it. As you can see here, when you will come here, you get the option that join to Chrome. Since I have already joined it, so I have been given the option remove from the Chrome. So I will not remove it here. And one more thing, you can see here the details, like how the attendance will be shown. So when you come here, you have to just click on this button. Since I have joined it, so I have been given the option of removing, but you have to click on here, add to Chrome. After that, you will click on the three dots and come here, and you will see here like Google Meet attendance tracker. If it is there, then you understand that your setting has been done. Okay, and let me explain about the features of this extension. In this extensions, you will not only be able to record the names and attendance of the students, but also know how much time a particular student spends in the class, and according to that their names will be highlighted. Like, I'm giving an example here. Here, like person 1 has attendance 7 minutes 41 seconds, that is 100%. So it is black. But person 2 has attended 3 minutes 29 seconds. That is 46%. Person 3 has attended 1 minute 48 seconds. So you will be able to understand about the activities of the students, about the timing they join. So that's about this extension. One more thing I would like to suggest here is, after installing this extension, you will not be able to take class from Google Meet app, because if you create meeting from there, you will not be able to use this extension. Now suppose you have to take one class, so I will not go on Google Meet. Instead, I will have to go to the Kiwi browser, and from here I will have to go to Google Meet. It means you will have to create meeting online and then share it to your student. Sorry. Before typing, you have to make sure that your phone is in desktop site mode. Now search here. Google Meet. Now here, click on new meeting, or if you have a code, then you can use it. Click on new meeting, and then Start an instant meeting. The camera and microphone are blocked, so no problem this time. Now I'm going to show you how to do this activity, like how to track attendance. Now I'm alone in this meeting. There is no one now. So as soon as I start the meeting, I will have to, like you can see here, track attendance. So as soon as you click on here, it will start monitoring the class till the end of the class. Like from the beginning you clicked on it and it will start monitoring, and once the class is over you will again click on it. Like there is network issue. Now it will start monitoring the whole class, and after the end of the class click on the same button and you will get the attendance list in the form of sheet. Now as you can see, there is only one person, it is myself. Now tracking started 0 minute 21 second ago. Now I will close the meeting and get the attendance sheet. Now you can see here total number of reports found 3, because 2 reports have already been made earlier and 1 of this time. Now as you can see here, there are 3 meetings. There are 3 meetings, 1, 2 and 3. That was of 17 January, then 17 January, and this one is 18th January. And timing 6:11:45. As you can see, total number of participants only 1, because only I was there. Now view report, click on it. As you can see here, serial number 1 HB25 Gautam Kumar, participant name, attendance duration 0 minute 36 second, and attendance percent, it means I attended 100% of the class, it means I attended whole class. and there would be serial number 2, 3 as the number of participants will increase. Thank you, and that's about today's videos. Thank you so much. If you want such types of videos, please do subscribe to my channel and write your views in the comment box. Thank you so much.